How to recover permanently deleted files on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Check backup services. Most of the Android users have automatic backup option that can save files even after they are deleted. For that, you can open Google Photos application. Now you simply need to check the trash or bin section. If found, restore the file. The second thing you can follow is simply go ahead and open Google Drive if available and look for a file or check the trash folder and restore the file if available. The second method you can apply is simply you can use data recovery software. So popular recovery tools like Dr. Phone, Data Recovery, Tenorshores, you can easily download the softwares and then uh, try this recovery software in order to recover your files. You can even seek professional help. If the data is critical, you can take your device to professional data recovery service and they use a specialized tool to retrieve lost files. So currently these are the only way to recover deleted or permanently deleted files on Android. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.